Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a PancakeSwap, Cake USDT trading pair with my customer CryptoSwap. What's going on now? Let's dive in. Guys, my humble opinion for this token and the bull run plan for PancakeSwap I shared with you in Zone 23, I guess. So I highly recommend you go and check that video. Nothing special happened now. We are still, yes, come back inside 27 block. So we got two monthly gaps, which I think we will sweep. Sooner or later we will close full fields. It will be $7.21 and 17.19 around here, and maybe test 26.78. So I'm not sure about the new all-time high for PancakeSwap, like $65. But yes, more than real to see 26.78. And the hype and pump on the PancakeSwap now here, because the Binance and CZ basically start shilling the BNB chain. So on Uniswap, we mostly swap the tokens. On Ethereum, PancakeSwap, everybody use it for BNB chain. And like you remember, a lot of people just use the PancakeSwap platform in Zone 21. It was the main platform for BNB chain tokens, meme tokens trades, right? So now, of course, the new users don't remember maybe that hype around the BNB, but in Zone 21 it was the same hype. Like now the meme tokens trades on Sol, absolutely the same. So if the Binance got a plan to crazy comeback with BNB hype chain, so yes, it's more than real to see the PancakeSwap performs also. So here, from that low, like $1.38, you could fix 141%. At least you usually just should withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, so it's a safety trade. This chart absolutely the same what I shared with you in Zone 23, and here we trade long-term period, testing like 18 level, then crash it down, bounce, test. So as much we test some level, this level become not stronger, it become weaker. So sooner or later we will test again $5 a monthly gap. Full fill will be 728. This one, for example, 727, for example. This one, and the next one is 0 level, 23 low by FIP 38.5. So technically from the low of this low, for example, it can be like 2,000% gains. It's more than okay gains, for this cycle. So just in case, guys, because if you wait some crazy performance from alts at this run, reduce your expectation, because too much tokens, not so much money inflow, nobody print the money, some crazy random monies right now. So there is no new fresh liquidity from nowhere. So it just is the same liquidity around the market from one hand to another one hand. So the target's basically relevant for Cake, since the main bull run plan what I shared with you. So here, let's say $1.50 and $1.05. It was the main accumulation zone. So a week ago, we tested $1.12 again, but in distribution zone. So this basically not a bullish signal, but guys, I truly believe sooner or later we will see the pump. Can we drop again into accumulation zone and form the new historical low? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. But the main accumulation here was on the monthly time frame. Take a look. Somebody accumulated Cake token for some reason, long-term period. So in June 2022 and September, October 2023. So the main lowest point of accumulation was in $1.12. So that's it, guys. Direction on a monthly, though, this is not a crazy distribution zone, definitely. So yes, we get room for growth, but for pump on alts, it's not enough. Only the hype on Twitter. We need to see the BTC dominance under 50%. Now it's a hope on market mood on a weekly. Time to buy any token, it's when we trade at the capitulation zone. So this is accumulation on direction. So technically, guys, yes, I believe in green spring for alts, but better reduce expectations and fix the profit step by step, or withdraw initial deposit step by step. Weekly time frame here, $1.51, $1.60, no, $1.51 and $2 comfortable price for the whales accumulate. After that, $4.44, like usual, 100% the smart money withdraw initial deposit. Here, money inflow 1, 2. So we track the lowest point of this weekly candle, $1.51. Lowest point of this weekly candle, let's say $2. Average entry could be like $1 here, $1.88, for example. 135% gains. They usually withdraw initial deposit, fix the profit here, money outflow. That's it, guys. Monthly time frame. Main money inflow was here. 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row the whales accumulate this asset. Not that long like a bakery swap, right? But anyway, sooner or later, guys, we will see. Let's add alert. Sooner or later, we will see the money outflow on monthly. It's going to be the crazy bearish signal. Trade on monthly. No data. Weekly. Buy, sell, buy back. So hard to say what we'll see next, but of course I'm more bullish than bearish on any alts. Also rejection at the take profit line, even the exit line. So here, how they work, here almost sets fundamental value of this token at the beginning of February, pump. So just craziness. Just in 2 weeks, you could fix a 200% profit. So definitely it's just a range, global range of accumulation inside accumulation zone. So it's between 1 cent and $3. Can we trade in this range longer than everybody expected? Yes, unfortunately, guys. So daily time frame, the support lines here. It was signal to buy, recommendation close position, buy line on daily. Now it's $1.69 and 9, 12 time frame. Sell, buy line $1.46 and 4. So a lot of signal was to buy here on 12 time frame, step by step. So the main and last one was February 8th, pump from that signal like 150. You could fix, I'm not telling you always fix 100%, just withdraw initial deposit. So zero risk. If the token dump again to the buy line or to accumulation zone or your zone of interest, after that, with the free money, with the free stables, you can accumulate, again, the more tokens, right? So it's pretty simple. That's why, guys, it's hard to say exactly how long we can trade in this range again. But here, this is a global chart, how it looks like. So on a gator, it's not the main zone. Take a look there. I understand the people wait some these gains. I'm not count the listing price, but let's say on November. Here, 15,000% gains. Everybody wait the same story this cycle. They call it the super cycle and all of that stuff. But guys, most likely we will not see these gains again. Not for these tokens. Here. 2,000% gains, 2,400, for example, the sweep of this high is going to be the perfect scenario. A lot of tokens, guys, will finish this right like this one. You can open the IOTA, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, and the cycle to cycle, the tokens form something like this, unfortunately. So guys, I hope you like this video. I highly recommend you go and check the main bull plan for PancakeSwap. I truly believe in the targets like $10, $16, $17, and over than this high, $26. It can be the end of cycle for this token. But of course, unfortunately, we can drop even lower, much lower. But I'm more bullish than bearish now. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about PancakeSwap. Can we drop lower than $1 again or not? If you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.